Your supplier, doesn't matter where the hell they are, your supplier will judge you. Every single person that you meet will judge you. Now, you can like that or you can hate it, but it's just a reality of life. We are all judging each other, and we're using the available data that we've got, the available information we've got, to make snap decisions about other people, okay? Now, online, when you're talking to a supplier, one of the only data points that your supplier has got about you is the email address that you're using for your business, okay? So if you use a Hotmail account, for instance, well, then they're going to assume that you're a beginner, that you don't know what you're doing, and you're going to be a pain in the arse for them. And so when they provide your pricing, they will give you the beginner prices, they will give you the you don't know what you're doing prices, and they will tack on you're going to be a pain in the arse tax onto your quote that they give you. And that is just normal. It is, I'm going to say, a good way to think about it is, if you were going to meet your supplier for the very, very first time, would you rock up in business attire, like professional business attire, or would you rock up in shorts and thongs and a t-shirt? Well, using a Hotmail account is your equivalent of shorts, thongs and a t-shirt, and using a Evelyn.com.au, evelingsgoods.com.au, that's the equivalent of rocking up in professional business attire. So yes, if I wanted to be taken seriously, that's what I would do. Now, is it necessary for you to have a personalized professional email address? No, it is not necessary. As in, you will still be able to run your Amazon business, blah, 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 no dramas at all. However, if you want to be taken seriously, you should definitely get one, particularly when it will cost you, what, $15 to set up? I mean, it's just absolutely nothing. So it is a good investment. And let me tell you, from my experience, the $15 that it costs you to set it up, you will get back the very, very first time you get a quote for your products. You will definitely get that back in spades. So it's money well invested, in my opinion. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.